I'm just giving you an idea of the pricing here for Repo bikes because a few have requested for the pricing of Repo bikes here in Cebu City. These are Repo bikes that I will give you the idea of prices. Like this one. This is a Suzuki Smash 2000 this is the down payment 1.5, and then you have a monthly of 2,909. Because a lot of you has been asking about Repossess bike, you can see that they don't have any cash for any Repossess bike. It has to be more an installment again. The odometer for this one and this one again 1,500 down, 3,142 monthly for 3 years. This is an XRM black. This is a XRM red. Again, the down payment is 1.5, monthly is 3,063. But this one is already 14,000 kilometers, 14,995. So some of them are not even, there's a even price, but you can see there's a lot of, these are all Repo bikes. This one is a Mio S. Down payment is 1.5. This is the monthly for 3 years. The odometer, this is already 12,000 kilometers. I'm just showing you the one with prices. This is a Honda FI. Again, the down payment is 1.5. This is the monthly for 3 years. This is XRM blue. The odometer is already 26,000 kilometers. So again, they don't accept cash for the repo units. You need to have an installment for 3 years. This is a Smash black. Wala gini price ang uban dong. Lagi. Again, 1.5 for down payment and 2,830 for 3 years. So that's 20,000 kilometers. This is Bajaj. But you can see it's all rusted. Pila ni? Manilabot, this all that's broken down. Because the one without the tags, this is TBS Max 1.5 1946 for 3 years. That's 30,000 kilometers. Mo gyud bilang gusto ta gyud. Okay, dagan diretso ba? So you can have this. This is in Whale Tech. This are another one. XRM, black and white. That's the down payment, and this is the monthly for 3 years. You know what's best with Repo bikes? They're already pre-registered. As you know, it will reach about, there are so many hassle now on registering a new motorbike. That's what I'm trying to say. And most people, to be able to run your motorbike, if you are not living here in the Philippines to be able to make sure that you can use your motorbike, they would rather have a used bike. This one is a Smash Violet, and this is the payment for 3 years to 138 with a down payment of 1.5. This is TBS Neo 1110, and that's the monthly 1.5 down payment to monthly is 1755. This is a Suzuki, but the mileage for this one is only 5,225 mileage. This is the Suzuki Smash, monthly of 2255. Already got 17,000 kilometers. This one is an XRM 125. It's 1.5 and 2,050 per month for 3 years, and that's 44,000 kilometers. Another XRM, that's 2804 monthly. It's already 20,000 kilometers.